How to log in to your FNBO credit card account online. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of 1-2-Step. If you're also trying to log in to your credit card account of FNBO, in this video I'm exactly going to show you the process that you need to successfully log in. Now before I move on and show you, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more videos just like this. With that said, let's get into the video. Open up your web browsers and search for card.fnbo.com. This is a dedicated website for all of the cards that you have of FNBO. Now to log into your credit card account, you can see a login box on the top right. Click on login and then again click on the login button. If you are not a customer yet and if you don't yet have the card access, you can also create your account by clicking on enroll now. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to the login box of FNBO credit card. Now in the first box, type in your user ID and then in the second box, type in the password. But in case you don't remember either your user ID or your password, you can click on these links which say forgot password or forgot user ID. And for the case of password, you can type in your user ID and click on reset password and follow the steps to create a new password. Now if you want this device to remember you, the next time you open up this website, you can check this box. If not, then uncheck it and then click on sign in. And if the details entered are correct, you'll be successfully logged in to your FNBO credit card account. So yeah, that's it. That's how easily you can log in to your FNBO credit card account. Be sure to let us know if you guys found this video helpful. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.